we will find you and eat both your arms and then both of your legs, and then we will eat your face right off your head. Do you understand?
What the hell are you?
We are Venom. On second thought, please.
Yo, it's been a while since I did a makeup tutorial, but if you know me and follow me, you know my favorite type of makeup to do is body paint, face paint type of ordeal. And today we're going to be doing Venom from Spider-Man, you know, my favorite Spider-Man villain. First, I'm priming my face because we are going to be using a lot of paint. Fan it, make sure it is set. Next, you're gonna want to outline the Venom on your face. It doesn't matter which side you're going on. I'm gonna do that and outline for the mouth as well. Now you're gonna want to fill in your not outlined parts with your black face paint to make them dark like the streets of Brooklyn, cause that's where Spider-Man from. It's your boy Jay, and you're probably wondering why I didn't outline an eye, because I wasn't sure what shape I was going to do since Venom's body moved, but I was just gonna go with a basic Spider-Man eye, so it doesn't really matter. So Jay, did you go see the Venom movie when it came out? I wanted to take Blue, but B said, we gotta go on tour. Oh, well, I didn't see it either. Hopefully it'll come on Netflix soon. Make sure you hit that neck, those ears, hairline, your scalp, whatever. Make sure it's dark, like my heart. And we'll go over it again later, so. Hey, yo, B, what's that you doing now? I'm filling in my mouth for the teeth and the eye parts with white. The paint I use is Snazaroo, so it dries really fast, but I just like to use this fan because I got it from an anime convention. So this what you're doing, talking about going over with another coat of paint and whatnot? Oh, Jay, you pay attention. Yes, that is exactly what I'm doing. I gotta pay attention in these Brooklyn streets. Brooklyn, it's your boy, Jay.
Hey guys, it's Kim as a fellow beauty guru myself. I wanted to step in.
Now she had it right the first time. Well, Kim, if you want to help narrate my tutorial, what am I doing now?
You're like obviously drawing a pizza on your face.
What? Kim, not even close. What the? I am making gums for the mouth by dotting pink paint on the outskirts of the white part, as you guys see.
That is literally what I just said.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is! Like, you are being so annoying right now. Like, I can't even. Maybe if you knew how to do a fucking makeup tutorial, I wouldn't be here. But you don't, because I run a business, KKW Beauty.
If you had a business that you were passionate about, then you would know what it takes to run a business, but you don't. So don't even act like you know what I'm talking about.
Now I am dabbing some red over the pink to give it a more defined gum look. After that, make sure you blend it out. Now I'm going to be drawing the shape of the teeth with some black liquid eyeliner. We're going to be filling in the mouth with black anyway, so they don't have to be too straight. Don't worry about that. Also, if you have nice, gorgeous, luscious lips like myself, to stretch the under skin or whatever, I put my tongue over my teeth, you know, because, you know, we weren't all born with thin iPhone 8, 6, 7 lips like some people, you know? I for damn sure wasn't.
My baby sister wasn't that lucky.
As I said a second ago, use the filling in of the mouth to make sure the teeth are straight and whatnot. For the human side, I'm just applying some foundation, no contour or anything because we're cartoons. You know, cartoons don't have too much definition, just perfect skin. And then we're gonna set and bake it with some setting powder. Bake, bake, bake. Now that our foundation is out the oven, I'm gonna be drawing some eyebrows. I'm drawing them in the shape of like a cartoony frown, you know, sad, oh my god, I'm being taken over by a parasite kind of eyebrow. You know, you wouldn't be happy about that, I wouldn't think. Make sure to add the crease and just put the tongue in. For the tongue, I just painted a sheet of paper and stuck it right on my lip. The paint kind of acted as an adhesive to stay, so that was good.
Oh shit, B. That's cool. Hey, yo, Blue, B, bring the twins. Come